Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register a partnership with LegalMatch step by step clearly. To register a partnership with LegalMatch, begin by visiting the LegalMatch website. Look for the Get Started or Register button on the home page. Click on this button to begin the registration process. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill out the required fields, which typically include your name, email address, and phone number. Next, provide details about your partnership, such as the business name and contact information. Indicate the type of services offered by your partnership. Review the terms and conditions presented on the registration page. If you agree with the terms, check the box to accept them. After completing the form, click the Submit button to proceed. You may receive a confirmation email shortly after submitting your registration. Follow any instructions provided in the email to verify your account. Once verified, log into your account using the credentials you created. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with available features. Begin adding necessary details about your partnership's business operations. Make sure to provide accurate and thorough information to attract potential clients. Finally, complete any additional steps necessary to finalize the registration process. Your partnership is now registered with LegalMatch and ready to connect with clients. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.